everyone, welcome back to Gapel Love. Today is episode 4 of Basics of Crochet, and today we are learning the V stitch. This stitch creates a lovely open, lacy texture, and that's perfect for scarf, shawl, blanket, cardigan, or even for summer tops. It works up really fast and looks stunning. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll explain everything slowly step by step. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. So crochet hook I'm using 3.0 mm and cotton yarn. First we will make a slip knot like this. Now insert your hook into this loop, make it tight and work on foundation chain. So yarn over your hook and pull the loop. This creates a chain and we will make 20 chains. So let's complete the foundation chain. Foundation chain is complete. If you want to learn how to make a foundation chain, please go through my episode 1 of Basics of Crochet. And now we will add 3 more chains because now we will work on double crochet stitch. After 3 chains, we will skip our 1, 2 and 3 chains into 4th opening, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into 4th chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, which is simply double crochet stitch. So first row we will complete with double crochet stitches. So let's complete double crochet, and our row is complete with double crochet stitches. Now for the next row we will add 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chain will count as our first double crochet. And now into next stitch we will work 2 double crochet. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into same stitch again we will work 1 more double crochet like this, and then we will skip next stitch. Into 4th opening again work 2 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, again into same stitch, 1 more double crochet. Now again skip 1 stitch into next opening, 2 double crochet. So like this we will complete the row, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch and then skip 1 stitch. Like this, let's complete the row. And for the last stitch we will complete with 1 double crochet. You need to make sure that your first stitch is 1 double crochet and last stitch is 1 double crochet. Now again chain 3, turn your work. So this is how your row 2 with V stitch is supposed to look like. And now we will work on our 3rd row, which will create the V stitch effect. So after chain 3, now we will work in between these 2 double crochet stitches, in between these gaps. So again yarn over your hook, insert your hook in between these 2 double crochet stitch and work 2 double crochet. This is our 1 double crochet. Now again 2nd double crochet into the same V gap like this, and the 2 double crochet that we have done just now, this will create our previous row's V stitch like this. Okay, now let's continue in our next stitch. In between those 2 double crochet stitches we will work 2 double crochet like this. Let's complete our 3rd stitch, and like this you can complete the row. Now if you want your pattern to look more tight, you can use smaller hook. If you want it to look more like lacy, you can use bigger hook or thinner yarn, and you can change color in every row for beautiful stripes. And for borders, add simple single crochet border to finish the edges neatly. So this is the main tip for your V stitch pattern. And like this complete the row, and that's how you crochet this beautiful V stitch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what are you going to make with this V stitch, a scarf, blanket or maybe a shawl. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video. Bye.